Good morning, boys and girls. So I thought since we had read the two fiction books about goats, the Three Billy Goats Gruff and the Three Billy Goats Fluff, that now we would read a nonfiction book about goats and learn a little bit about them. So the author is Julie Murray. And as you can see, this looks like a picture or a photograph of a goat. So it does not say that we have an illustrator because it does not look like the pictures have been drawn. And that is what an illustrator does. So again, this is informational book and to learn about goats, so we know that it's nonfiction. And we have a table of contents. It says that if we want to know kind of an overview about goats, it's on page 4. If we want to know about a goat's life, it's on page 22. The glossary is on page 23. The index is on page 24. And again, like one of the other books that we read about butterflies, you can put in a code and even learn more with this code that's on the end. So that's also on page 24. Goats. Goats live on a farm. Most goats are black, brown, or white. Some have spots or markings. So you can see all these pictures of the real goats over here. And when Miss Tori did her read aloud, we got to see her in her goat pen. And I know Boone has goats, and I think maybe Rylan has goats. Goats have horns. You can see them right up here. They also have a beard, and that's what that is called right down here. Girl goats are called nannies. Boy goats are billy goats. And then babies are kids. So girls are called nannies, boys are billy goats, and babies are kids. Goats say bleat. And it looks like that's what he's doing right now. Goats are good climbers. They can jump high too. Look at all the goats in this tree. That's amazing that they can climb a tree and that they can jump. Goats eat leaves and grass. Whoops. Goats eat leaves and grass. They also eat grain. People drink goat's milk. So they produce milk just like a cow. It is also used to make cheese. So goat cheese is delicious. So you can make goat cheese from a goat's milk, just like you can make regular cheese from a cow's milk. Have you seen goats on a farm? We got to see one on Miss Tori's. All right, so here is a goat's life. They like to climb things. They get milked. There's a picture of someone milking a goat. They eat. They rest. This one is resting on the back of the other one. Whoops. Sorry about that. They eat grain. So you can see all these different types of grains that they eat. Corn and rice and some sorts of nuts. They have horns. So one of the hard pointed parts that grows on the head of some animals. So that is the horn that grows on there. And then they have markings. A marking is a repeated, it could just be one mark or a repeated mark on an animal's fur or skin. So that's the glossary. It gives you, this glossary gave us a picture and a definition of those words. And then this is the index. If we want to go and read about or see the word beard, we can go back to page 8 to see about that. We can, if we want to read about what a nanny is, we can go to page 10. If we want to read about the food, we can go to page 16. So it tells us. If you want to go to abdokids.com and put in this code, you can access some other crafts and games and videos about the book. All right, I hope you enjoyed learning something about goats, and maybe some of our friends that have goats could send us some pictures or send us a video of some things that they know about goats, or maybe even a video or picture of their goat. That would be fun. All right, y'all have a great day.